Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Flourishing People. Today I'm going to show you how to do at-home gel nails. I started doing them at home about a year ago. It saved me so much money and time at the nail salon, and it's also been such a fun hobby to learn. I'll show you how I do painted gel nails, but there are 4 techniques that I have learned. Some are super easy and then others get a little harder and require a little more practice. All 4 techniques will be in the bio at my blog, theflourishingpeople.com. So check that out if you want to. But I'll go over all the supplies you need for regular painted gel nails and some tips and tricks on how to make it stay. All right. Everything you need is listed on the screen. I got the nail lamp polish and tips on Amazon for a super cheap price. So here I'm showing you my plain boring nails. First, we're going to go ahead and size the tips to our nails and line them up. Grab 2 of every size so that you have one for each hand. And then we're going to go in with some sunscreen. Now, sunscreen is so important since we're using UV light. Do not forget sunscreen. So put some on your hand and your wrists, and then go ahead with your nail clippers and start clipping your nails to your desired length. Then go in with the nail file and start filing down your nails so that they aren't rigid. Now take some nail polish remover on a cotton pad and start wiping off your nail. This is important even if you don't have any nail polish on. This helps remove the excess oil so that the glue has something to grip onto a little bit better. And then we're going to also take a nail buffer and create some more friction on the nail so that this also gives the glue a little stronger of a grip to hold on to. So then we're going to take the glue and we're just going to brush it on your nails. And then we're also going to take a little bit of glue and put it on the nail tip. Once the glue is on, press it down onto your nail and then really press it down for maybe 10 seconds so that that glue is really on there. And then go ahead and do all the nails. You can do one hand at a time or both hands at the same time, but I like to leave the thumb off for last so that I have something to clean off the nail, make it's a little easier, especially when you're first learning, that you have your thumb so that you know what I'm saying. All right, so then go ahead and take your nail file and then file down the nails. These nail tips are nice because they're already shaped, so that's super helpful. And then go ahead with that nail buffer and create more friction with the buffer again straight onto the nail tip, and then clean it with the nail polish remover again. Now it's time to take your polish. Pick any polish you like. I chose this light pink, and then you just paint your nails. And then you can clean the sides off with your thumb that you didn't put the nail tip on. See how we did that there? All right, and then you're just gonna put it on under the nail lamp. I usually do it for 60 seconds. And then you can repeat that process until you get your desired color. And then you will top it off with some nail polish top coat. And I usually hold that under the lamp for maybe 90 seconds, a little longer than the regular nail polish, so that everything is nice and cured. And then last up, I'll do my thumbs just to finish it all off. And then there's the final result. So this was so easy. The more you practice, the more nail art and designs you'll be able to do. So have fun.